PS fans, hold your breath because Sony is going to raise prices on its range of flagship PlayStation 5 consoles for the second time in less than a year. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Sony said that due to pressures in the global economic landscape, the PS5 Disc Edition will jump from $549.99 to $649.99. That's a $100 increase from the last time Sony hiked prices of the console last year. The digital edition of the device will also rise $100 to $599.99. But the most powerful version of the console, PS5 Pro, gets a $150 hike to $899.99 for the US. Sony also raised prices of the console in Japan, the UK, and Europe, with each PS5 model seeing an increase by $120. These all prices will be effective from April 2nd. Sony admits that raising prices like this will impact the gamers, but to keep the quality and experience as high for the gamers, it was an inevitable decision. Last time when Sony raised prices globally was last year, and the company blamed high inflation and uncertainty caused by US tariffs for it. But this time, it's the unprecedented surge in memory prices. Since memory is a key component of the PS5, and most of the memory makers are directing their stocks to AI data centers, so prices have jumped significantly. Piers Harding-Rolls, research director of games at Ampere Analysis, said that maybe Sony had price protections for its components for a set period, and this may well have come to an end. Sony must have made this decision to protect its slim hardware margins, and it wouldn't be a surprise if Microsoft and Nintendo followed the suit in the not-too-distant future. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.